I'm Neil McEvoy, the Plaid Cymru Assembly candidate for Cardiff West, and I'm back in the dirtiest lane in Europe, and nothing's been done. If we do a quick turnaround over here, the bed is still there, the rubbish is still here. It gets better. Let's take a look down here. Rubbish, an uncovered unattended drain with rats escaping. And if we just come down here, look, we can see black bags, rubbish. Now, whoever is responsible for this should be fined. The council should be issuing a notice to get this area cleaned up. Nothing is happening. You know, believe it or not, visitors to our city actually do come here, and this is what they see. Come on, please. We've got some pretty highly paid people in this city. Not doing a great deal about this. Really, I think the only way to find a solution is to vote Plaid Cymru. Let's get a Plaid Cymru or Cardiff Plaid Council next year and sort messes like this out, and let's clean up Cardiff. Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much.